All right, so before we get started, yes, I know it's freezing. I go through this little spiel every time we do day trading. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. You don't need to see my face. I'm gonna say that before every day trading video. All you need to see is the charts. All you need to see is the chart, and you will be totally fine. Um, I don't know if I will take another trade today. So, what we got is what we got. So I just want to go over what I did because out the gate, and look, as I'm talking, I might mess around and take another trade. But we'll see if I take another one because it's looking kind of good. So, what did I take? What I took was, and remember, it's demo week. It's demo week. It's demo week. Damn, this is looking good. This is looking good. It's looking really good. Damn, hold on. Seems like every time I get on to try to give y'all a recap of what I did, I might mess around and take another trade. It didn't give me the setup I was looking for. All right, so anyway, what did I do? So today I was kind of weary because of the whole Donald Trump bombing Iran thing. Didn't know how that was going to affect the market. There was a lot of news today. Let me pull that up for y'all. And the news today was these red folders right here, the words that say flash. Red folders mean the market's going to be affected pretty heavily. So I got in my trade and got out right before this. And then there was some other stuff on here that didn't really just matter too much. So anyway, let's get down to the trade that I took. So this morning, let's go to the 5-minute. I can't even go to the 5-minute because the trade was so small. So this morning, I'm just going to kind of expand this. So remember, I can't trade until 9:30, right? So 9:30 is this red candle. So when 9:30 hits, I'm in. But it's demo week as well, and when you're doing demo or paper money, you can trade anytime you want to, or if you have real money and you have enough money to do to trade before and after the stock market, then you can do this trade too. But so my entry was this 212 down here. Why did I take it? I took it because of this red box. I drew this red box actually this morning off this 30-minute. As you can see, market went up like crazy, shot back down like crazy, and when it shot down, but when I woke up, I missed it. Then I looked at it again and I said, oh crap, this is a support zone. So before any of this extra stuff happened, we was right here in the market. I had saw this going down and then it failed, which means it went back up. This is why I have the box as red, because red means down for me and green means up. So this is my strat combo 212 down. If you look at it here, 212 bearish reversal down. That's what it had here. It failed. I didn't get in on that trade. I had woke up. Well, I had took a shower. I worked out. And then I saw this. But I actually got in a little late. I saw it late. But I got in around this marker at 23. So I'm just going to mark it here. But it's really like 23. paying attention to the time just in case I gotta take another trade. I got in like right here. I wish I got in right here, but you gotta understand that the market was finna open too. So you just gotta be careful. I could have very easily gotten stopped out, lost the trade, and it still went my way. That could have very easily happened, but it didn't. And only risked $18. So it went down, it went down, it went down, it went down, it went down to here. And I had some tough decisions to make because in the past, when it gets into a zone, that means it's going to reverse, or more than likely it's going to reverse. When it gets into that zone, you got to be careful. So I just moved my stop all the way down here. I took my money, which was $51. As you can see right here, it says 51.25. Remember, I can't enter that trade if I have my real money unless I'm putting in like, I think it's a 1,000, like 1,600, something like that. So, and I could probably do that now because I think I'm a pretty good trader these days. And once I change my strategy, I think I'm pretty decent now. So I could probably do that. I got the money too, but don't know if I want to. Anyway, so I would not have been able to take this trade if I had less than like $1,600. So I would have just waited, which is fine because later on, if I fast forward this happened. It shot up like a rocket. And on the strat, this is a 2-2 reversal. However, where is it? All right, here. 2-2 reversal bullish. I could have easily took this back up. But I don't like 2-2s. I like things with ones in them. So I like the 1-2-2, 1-2-2. I like this 3-2-2. I like most things except for the 2-2 reversals because there's twos everywhere on the chart and you can get easily faked out and confused, and I've lost money like that before. So I'd rather miss the move personally. I need to be convinced, and that's not convincing enough. So I missed the move. Whoop-de-doo. It happened. On to the next. And I missed out on a lot of money. So the only place you can really get in if you're using the strat is this right here. Let me move this. And my homie told me at the beginning of the day, he was like, you know, I want it to be a big up day. That's what he was telling me. He told me before anything happened. Because if you look at this, and we'll get back to what I was just talking about later. If you look at these candles, look how close we are to the daily goal. Look how close we are. We was not there before I took my move. We was somewhere down here. And now we are literally 16 points away from reaching yesterday's high, which means a lot of people are probably going to take profits right there, which means the market's probably going to go down as soon as it hits that line. My homie called it from the beginning. And it may make it up there. If it doesn't, just look at the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ is actually 120 points away, 130 points away. Whichever one hits it first, it will react. So it looks like the S&P, the ES is going to hit first. Be wary. If it gets there, I advise raising your stop really close or getting out of the trade. But if you're a balls to the wall type of guy, you want to see what happens, then do you. But that's not me. I took the short. I took the down move. I wish I would have took the up move, but there was no entry for me. Let's get back to what I was saying earlier. So if I got in on this trade, it would have been at this gold line down here. It would have been this gold line down here. So currently we are, see, this is 16.18. Let me check this real quick. Okay, cool. No entry. All right, so 16.18, $5 a point on the MES. So currently we're at 57. So I'm just gonna say 58, which is 40 points. 40 times 5 is 200. So I would have been at $200 plus the 50 that I made if I had just got back in. I didn't do it. Wish I did, but hey, it is what it is. I got my $50. Once again, it's down here, so you know I'm not lying to you. I've had pretty good weeks since I started this demo thing. I'm up $210. That happened like since last Wednesday. So we're really good. Could have been great. But hey, positive, making money is making money. But that's pretty much all that I got. I'm just trying to show y'all my results in day trading. And I'll be, once I go live probably next week, I'm giving myself one more week. Once I go live probably next week, if this week is good, then I'll let y'all know. But then once I go live, I can't show y'all this stuff because I think my account information will be down there, and I don't want y'all seeing that. But hopefully y'all can trust me, or if my account information, or if my private information isn't down here when I'm showing y'all, I will check, and then we'll go from there. But anyway, that's all I got, man. I hope you have a great day. That's my trading day. I'm finished. If you want some advice, personally, I say just wait. If you're not in a trade, just wait, man. We're currently in a supply zone on this hour. How do I hide this? This area right here, where my mouse is, that area is a resistance and supply zone. A lot of these stopped in this area. So this is from this past Friday. I would be careful where we are right now. I personally, I would not even mess with it. If it starts going down, maybe on an hourly, 30-minute, maybe even the 15, I would indulge it for a short distance, but not for a long distance, because it's probably going up today. So be careful. Other than that, yeah, all I really see is up, 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 up. If you trade the SPY, it's the same thing. Up, 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 up. Yeah. And that's all I got, man. So I hope y'all have a great day. Stay blessed and make some money, man. Deuces.